Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I gonna share some of the games for designers specifically. So these are type of games that will obviously sharpen your skill as a designer in all of the perspectives, like in typography, in maybe kerning, in like kerning is a part of typography, kernings, colors, hues, sensibility of colors, pixel sensibility, all kind of things. Okay, so let's get started because we have too many websites today, and it will take time to show you every other website, and obviously all of the links will be in the description. So let's get started with our first website. So this is our first game. Okay, this is our first website. The name of this site is ShapeType, a letter shaping game. So what you have to do here, you have to basically shape the letter using this anchor point here. See how easy it is, and you can select hold shift to snap the axis, and obviously the things that you use in design tool, that is also applicable here. So for shift to hold this in straight line, and alt to quick preview. Okay, so here maybe this much, here maybe this much. 76% like matching. So as you can see it here, and if I hold alt, see, now it's done. So basically this is the game, and they will give you 10 of the shapes, and you can create it obviously and see how much perfect you are with the like uh actual letters and these letters. So this is the game. Now moving forward to second game, this is Pixactly. Now what it does, so basically when you enter the game, here will they will give a certain number of certain width and height pixel. Okay, like we for reference, we have 45 pixel width and 35 pixel height, and you can see here I am getting a cross sign, like the obviously our tool sign. Here I have to draw a square or draw a rectangle of these pixels. So it would be kind of a great guessing game that how pixel perfect I am in my device. Now everyone's monitor will vary, everyone display will vary, but if you are familiar with your display, you can obviously guess it. Like if I want to guess this, so I will guess something like, yeah, wait, with 45, so I will guess something like this. And I am off to it. Okay, I am way off to it. So obviously I am not good at it, but yeah, after you get one of them right, you will get the sense how pixels is working here. Okay, so now for next pixel, obviously I will now create the same height and width, almost the same height and width that I have created before. See, great, you are off by 18 only, like 99 px and 12 px. Now here we have our next game, that is brand scene. So here you have to actually color match the logo that you are getting. Okay, with the actual brand color. How well do you recognize a brand? So if I click on compare, I am 73, like close enough. 73. What? Wait, I have to give it a yellow tone. Okay, compare. 94 match. See, next. If I go on next, yes, here is nothing, bro. So this platform, this particular website is bit glitchy, I don't know why, but it is. So I don't know what to expect from it, but it's a good game, it's a good game. Most of them is good game. Maybe you should try it on another of browsers, maybe it would work, but I don't know why it is this. I think this website is pretty much old and bit clunky, so that's why, maybe, I don't know, whatever. But this is good. Okay, this is good for like see. Yahoo. How can you recognize this logo from Yahoo? I don't know. Here, the logos are not appearing. See, so this is not possible for us to play again. I think they are using Flash. That's why it's not working. Let's see. No, they aren't using Flash. Then why? I don't know why, but this website is really clunky. So just left it or maybe try it on another browser. But here is the downside. Whatever. Let's go to our next game. Now this game is really really tough. Yup. I have played it and this is really tough. Before starting the in, you can obviously color calibrate and you can color you have the color blindness also, but you should color calibrate your display first, because I don't know if you can see it here or not. They have a inner box and a outer box. Okay, and you have to those box have to be distinguished while you are viewing it here, because the game's gonna be this, like game's gonna be almost like this. Here in the hue section you have to match the hues. Okay, so here is red hue, so wait, I have to match with green. Wait, yellow. See, and the game keeps getting harder and harder while you're going on other things, like others things, like other means in the saturation section or in the complementary color scheme section. See, in the saturation section, you it will get a bit harder and you have to uh, uh, match the saturation as well as the hue, so that's gonna be a tougher job. In the complementary color system, you have to match the complementary color system well with the saturation and the hues as well. Then there is analogous, triadic, tetradic, all of those. So this game keeps getting harder, and this is a great game if you want to develop the color sense well, or the saturation and hue, those kind of sense well. This gonna help you a lot on that. Now let's go to our next game, that is type type war. So type war is pretty much basic. Here you have to actually choose which typeface it is. That's it. That's the game. So it is Helvetica New. I am guessing it. Yep, I am correct. It is also Helvetica New. Maybe. Yep, I am correct. Now what font it is? It is Verdana. Sorry, Vardana. Vardana. Yep, I'm correct again. Then it may be okay. It may be Verdana again. I don't know. Yep, I'm correct. It's obviously Times New Roman. I'm correct. Now here what it is D dot. No doubt it is D dot. Yup, it is also D dot. Yeah, it is Helvetica D dot. Yup. So this is a game. This is a game. Okay, you have to guess which typeface it is, and this website doesn't. I don't think this it have too many typeface, because this keep repeating Verdana, Helvetica, D dot, and Times New Roman. So maybe they don't have, and Optima as well. Optima or what the name was? I don't know. Whatever. Another font. Okay. So this is pretty much a similar game like this, as I have played here. You know, you have seen what is this about. So this is pretty much it about this website. Now, going to our next website, I think this is possibly the most modern website of all of this, and it looks great. It look really really great, and here are more games as well. So this is basically a Carning game. You have to guess the Carning right. Okay, let's see. Wait, this is the Carning. 100 totally perfect score. So if I click on next, it will give me another one. So I actually have to guess where it should go. Okay, so maybe, yeah, 69. 69. Whatever. So this is the game basically. Okay, and let's just feature all of those games here, and here you can see more games are also here, and from here you can get a lot of more game. So this is from this game, this is actually this game. Okay, and here are all of other games. So basically tons of games, in one video for designers only. Okay, so that's it for this video. Play those game, be a great designer, like refresh your skill again and again, get creative, practice all of those things. This will, you will keep getting better and better in all of those games. So yeah, use it, and let me know in the comments if you like all of those or not, and which of the game actually you are liking the most. Tell me that as well. So we will see if I am also liking whatever you liking or not, whatever. That's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great cool tools, no, those are not tools, games for designers or for developers, or any other apps, great productivity things, design things, developing things, software things, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.